While summer temps are heating up, the Las Vegas housing market is cooling to what many are considering a balanced environment. Hello and welcome to the July edition of the Monthly Market Update, where we'll discuss the continuing California migration and its pronounced impact on the luxury market, along with our usual dusting of exciting developments coming to Las Vegas. Let's dive in. Available listings rose another 5% over June, pushing total inventory to 7,478 homes, levels we haven't seen in over 3 years. And while new listings dropped nearly 10% last month, both pendings and closed sales also fell by almost 7%. The headlines alone of these two articles emphasize the aforementioned statistics. Despite this moderation, the median sales price ticked up by $5,000 to return it to its all-time high of $485,000. Days on the market and price per square foot held steady, signaling a shift, not a slide. And while sales may seem subdued for now, they are poised to accelerate based on the cocktail of headlines and developments we're about to share. Almost 39,000 Californians made their move to Nevada in 2024, a rise from the prior year, signaling a return to pre-pandemic levels, with a majority of those residents moving from Los Angeles and Orange counties. These numbers include an exodus of millionaires seeking refuge from high taxes, rising crime, and natural disasters. Equity gains and generational wealth transfers are creating a wave of first-time luxury buyers who want move-in ready, sustainable, technology-forward homes. You can read more about these and other luxury trends in the Global Luxury 2025 Mid-Year Report. Despite continued economic uncertainty, luxury real estate showed notable resilience in the first half of 2025 and continues to be viewed as a safe, tangible investment. Interestingly, Nevada now ranks 34th in the nation for vacant housing units. But don't be fooled. Much of this vacancy is attributed to a growing trend: second home ownership, as not all purchasers are full-time residents, and we're seeing an uptick in high-end properties being lightly used but highly valued. Last month, we mentioned the upcoming ceremonial groundbreaking of the Las Vegas A's ballpark, and this month it happened. On June 20th, construction officially began on the $1.5 billion ballpark on the Strip. Former Raiders president Mark Bedane is now president of the A's and was a driving force in raising Allegiant Stadium in 2020 and will now oversee everything from the first concrete pour to opening day. Bedane has developed an incredible local connection and credibility within our community. Las Vegas continues to evolve as a tourism powerhouse. Live Golf, arguably the most disruptive force in professional golf, just announced its inaugural Las Vegas event at the Las Vegas Country Club in January 2026. And Bottle Blonde Las Vegas, a glitzy $50 million venue in front of the Horseshoe, enjoyed its grand opening on June 26th, infusing new energy and experience into the heart of the Strip and giving its neighbor, Blake Shelton's Ole Red, a little run for its money. And speaking of movement, quite literally, Elon Musk's Boring Company is digging deeper into Las Vegas as two major tunnel expansions were approved. One tunnel connects the University Loop to Harry Reid International Airport, and another connecting the Thomas & Mack Center to T-Mobile Arena and Park MGM. The planned station at the J. Dapper Airport Center calls for a 9-level parking garage with 72 Tesla superchargers. At full build-out, the Las Vegas Loop is planned to feature 68 miles of tunnels and 104 stations across the resort corridor. And finally, here's a fun fact that might surprise you. If California hadn't already claimed the Golden State, Nevada would have earned it. While Nevada is known as the Silver State, we actually mine billions of dollars of minerals each year. In fact, if Nevada was a country, it would be the 5th largest gold producer in the world behind China, Russia, Australia, and Canada. Based on our state's GDP, mining is our second top industry, only behind gaming and hospitality. So, what are the takeaways from this issue? Even as the market cools, we remain red hot in terms of opportunity. Migration, development, tourism, innovation, and gold are converging to support our long-term growth. Thank you, as always, for making us your real estate company of choice. And remember, especially during these challenging times, there is a flight to quality. And for over 119 years, no real estate brand is recognized for that quality more than Coldwell Banker. Until next month, stay cool and informed. Bye-bye.